First of all, let me congratulate the Association for the Well-being of Elderly Sportsperson, Awardees, for conducting a kind of a program, unique program. And I am congratulating each and every felicity, especially on behalf of the government of Goa, Shriman Colaco, who has been conferred the Dronacharya Award this year. We have among us the Honorable Ex-Chief Minister and the Honorable MLA of Marqus constituency, who is also one of the felicity, who is a spokesperson and has given immense contribution towards the field of sports. Digamber Kamat, father, then Vedanta's Anik Pradhan, Shriman Joshi, my dear friend, Awardee Colaco, who is ex-MLA of the family, and all my dear friends over here, the press reporters. First of all, I thank you to the awardees for giving me this opportunity to felicitate the elderly people. I will little bit selfish because I also got a blessing from each and everyone over here. I learned something from you all, and definitely the contribution which has been given by you all. And as Mr. Colaco has already made a humble request, that is the pension which is going to get from the PSY. I will see that in henceforth it will be given on a rightly time and assuring to each and everyone over. At the same time, the pension is also going to be enhanced from the 20, 25, 26 years, because I know we cannot measure your efforts by means of money. But you have given a treasure to the state of Goa by your dedication, high effort. When there was no sufficient infrastructure, you played on the mud. Now there is a lot of sports infrastructure that has been developed in the state of Goa in all disciplines. But I'm very sorry to say this, but what is lacking is the aggression about the sports. I think you are the heroes and you are the motivation to each and everyone, the budding youths who has got the opportunity to make the career in this sporting field. Because we are letting our minds towards a negative approach. First of all, we all are parents over here. Definitely, we have to always speak from the positive aspects of the any thought.
I'm still there. My term in World Body is yet to start. My term of 4 years starts from July when we take over in Singapore, and it will last till 25 to 24 years, 29. So for Alberta again now, it's like काम किया था कभी मुझे पहले से दिखा था लेकिन I agree to this. Now my contribution is because of my colleagues. Now last college असताना सगळे sports खेळा. I have played football, I have played cricket, I have played hockey. I represented college, I represented schools, but I picked up badminton initial stage and then picked up swimming. But I got an opportunity to organize first nationals, badminton national that Marqus Mirgulao came into limelight was held in Goa. And I must say that Mr. Anil Margulao, whose father was the first Goa Badminton Association president in Goa, founder president, he inducted the Goa Badminton Association as the joint secretary of Goa Badminton Association in somewhere in 1960s, where I had passed out and I was in college. I am thankful to Awardee Armando, who was again associated with me along with his daughter in swimming association also. We have swimming players like Westfield Villages, Michael Lisa, with whom those days I played badminton. I am happy to see them here today. But badminton, swimming, although several sports are there, I try to contribute in every sports wherever possible, thinking that sports should come out in the state of God. Whenever we got chance, in fact, when I became the swimming president of Swimming Federation, I used my personal contact with Glenn Santana. And I convinced Glenn that he should associate with Swimming Association. And I am happy that Glenn formed Glenmark Aquatic Foundation based on my discussion with him, and he contributed a lot to Goa Swimming Association and Swimming Federation of India. Also, he became our championship, used to be known that time as Glenmark Aquatic Championship. So that is how I try to contribute. I am thankful to this association doing a good job. मागील असोसिएशन अत्यंत महत्वाचे की नॉर्मली स्पोर्ट्समॅन मागील धाकटेपणात लोक विसरतात, समाज विसरतात, सोसायटी फॉरगेट्स. आमचे भुरगेपण आम्ही खूप जाणां पळयल्या, गोल नॉर्मली लोक कशे तांकां प्रेज करताले, ताचे बाबतींत जाण शेजारी आशिल्ले फुटबॉल प्लेयर. पूण जाणटेपणां आतां ताची परिस्थिती बिकट आसा. गव्हर्नमेंट टेन्शन दिता, दुसरी गव्हर्नमेंटाचें टेन्शन चालू आसता. पूण एक असोसिएशन स्वताचें जे थिंग्स ऑफ दॅट जे ट्रायज टू ट्राय देअर हार्ट जे तांकां पावता उरल्यार अशें असोसिएशन आसप गरजेचें. तें आल्बर्टान मी स्टार्ट केलें म्हणून हांव ताका उर्वरीत परबी दिता. खरें यू हॅव डन अ गूड जॉब फॉर ऑल स्पोर्ट्स. त्या टायमाचेर तांकां आदार जाय पडटा, त्या टायमाचेर कितें मेळटा तें खरें आसता आनी तांकां फायनान्शियल हेल्प जाय.
And I follow the philosophy of kicking the ball. And today, thanks to the good luck, He has blessed me. After 40 years, 1985 I started, and till 2025 I'm still going strong with Sporting Club of Goa. Thank you so much. But this Dronacharya Award doesn't belong to me alone. There were so many club owners. It was Sunset Football Club, Andhra Laganero, it was Churchill along Churchill Brothers, it was Mr. Joe Vass in Cesar, it was Mr. Srinivas Dempo in Dempos, it was Lemons in FC Days, it was Nituda in East Bengal, and Nati was in Sporting Club of Goa. Well, I appreciate all the efforts they gave me to carry on the good work. But then it's the good supporting staff, the players who always there by my side. I can't forget Peter Wallace who was there with the Goa team. Can't forget Maurice Afonso. Can't forget Climax Lawrence now. And there were so many of them. I also have to thank from the bottom of my heart the presidents, all the presidents of the GFA, the past presidents and the present presidents, the secretaries, everyone who tried hard. But the most important thing, which I'm really grateful, on the last day of my application for the Dronacharya Award, it was not going through. I was desperate. And then I told my person who was helping me, Mr. Tulsidar Garekar from the sports department, that I want to stop it here and I can't go farther because for the last 1 week I'm trying and it's not going through. But then he said, Mr. Tulsidar Garekar of the sports department, don't worry sir, I'm here with you. Let's try, don't give up. It was around 5:30 or so, I called Marqus Mirgulao and I told him that this is what's been happening. He was so good enough to call his assistant secretary at the daily ministry and told him about it. And soon after that, there was a person from the sports ministry calling me and telling me, please send your application now, we are ready to accept it. So Marqus, thank you so much. It was not for you. I don't think I would have gone through that application. Like I've said, I want to thank each one of you, all the people of Goa, all the great personalities who are sitting here, really made my day. All the ones who supported and encouraged. God has been too good and kind to me and my wife, my family, my daughter, all those around. Thank you so much. God bless you all.